Hey friends, if you wish to fix slow booting on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Make sure that all updates are installed. The next solution after this will be to run the malware scanner tool. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then open MRT malware removal tool. Okay, click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it scan through. Okay, this done. The next solution will be to enable fast startup. Now how will you enable fast startup? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Check the box here. Click on save changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.